Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. My people, another gist don't come out again, my people. Another gist for married woman. I don't know wetin I wan call this one now. This one na Igbo land. This one for Apple, not be Benin o, Igbo. Because if na Benin na, they for say na so Benin people they do. They'll give Benin different. This one na Igbo. Na this one for Apple. My people. I not say Igbo people don't good o, but this one na where for Apple now they talk. Because na Igbo they speak. My people. This one a married woman with a cash red-handed. Married woman. This one not be girlfriend though. Or say na girl with when they date. No, married woman. Your husband cash am. Red-handed. On top of another man. Red-handed. With their nakedness, the video, they just that I don't put the video for you because of a YouTube law. So I don't put that kind of video for you. My people, I need to see when this man they jogodo this woman red-handed. The man self now see another character. The girl's man. He catch his wife red-handed. He see even tell them they continue. He say they continue. The woman self, the wife, like even climb the man. They use the jogodo for the husband present. They just down the low. They say they continue. They don't stop. The man really continue. He even see the touch Bobby Joyner. My people, married woman. If marriage don't tire you, why you not tell the man say you know want again? Instead, you can't go to do that kind of thing to your husband. If you just go come for the marriage, so that you know say you don't date the marriage again. When this one they happen, when we say you dey on that marriage, you still go do another man. You too do this one. You too do this one. Eh? You too do this one. What your husband do you rich like that? We be say you can't go shit on your husband, married woman. Married woman. This one not be saying a girlfriend, married woman. My people. Wetin this woman, wetin make her now do this kind of thing now? I be your husband walking stick, not the reach you. He walking stick, not the reach you. If you not the reach you for your could leave the man. Instead when you go from the house, go the shit on her. Before just leave him. Eh? My people, when I see the video, the thing just tire me. Eh? He just climbed the man, the jogodo the man. That kind of video, eh? When me see him, I don't feel you watch and say, God. She come the shame. They carry cloth to cover her face. Video, don't already video your nakedness, everything. The whole world don't see your nakedness now. The man, when they do the thing, you see they beg there. After he don't finish, he stand there, they beg the man. They call even know the guy. They call the guy Kevin. Kevin, I beg. Now don't want to tell him say you don't respect him. They use it, but they tell him. Because if you respect him, you for no go sleep with jogodo his wife. You for not do one. My people, when I see him, the thing just tired me. Say it is this life, oh. Things he did this life, my people. Married woman. I know say men their own day their body. But say married woman they cheat on the husband. Me, I never that thing they really like because instead when you go cheat on her, you know say the marriage don't tire you. It's better you just leave. It's better you just leave the man. It dey more better than say you go there the man house. They go this jogodo another man. You too do that one. You too do this woman. You too do one. for you to go do another man. You to do that one. He get another video when I see when somebody the man saying the suspect his wife. In the suspect his wife for a long time. For 1 year. He know say his wife they call the ex-boyfriend. He don't talk. He know. He saying he just live on the me if I do what they do finish. How you gonna say your wife, your own wife, when you put money for your head, see what they do, you still leave them. You say you they wait for the right time. Me, I don't understand now. I don't understand how after they do na marriage. You know, you even the cash and when they make video call with another man, you don't talk. Even when you say you the jogodo the woman, you say you go even now there you go know say the woman do body don't change. Say you they know if you want to go do one. I mean not say me say they know that one. Me where they watch me now. How you want to know if your wife, your own wife, don't go jogo do another man? They say the man saying they know. He put just for there I be waiting because me no know my baby are not there, my people. Me no know how person they know that kind of thing. No. You could know say your husband, your wife, the jogo do another man. When me see that video yesterday, they didn't tire me. I say, how much they know that kind of thing? Say your wife go jogo do another man, they go no. Me I don't know. Didn't tire me. When me hear more, I say, my people, I go and wanna shook mouth for this thing. Oh, me no say me don't they know now. Say their wife they shit on them. They know. True, if they want short pample, say that they know. Didn't tire me. Me I don't know. The first time we meet the year, say man they know. Except say maybe he put jazz there or he put something for them. Wait till they know. Cause me, the thing tire me. They call they surprise me. I say but how you go know say your wife they talk to you is you see you the bear am say you know but you just want cash am. Red you don't even cash am almost all the time when they talk to the man. You say you don't want to talk that time. Does it mean say this one will cash your wife now? He knows since because for him to go cash and red-handed like that, say he don't already fair the suspect the woman. He don't already fair the suspect him. I mean say he don't already fair no, but he just they wait for the right time. He don't already fair no. Eh? But women, some women they tire me. So kind is over the year sometimes and the thing not you to even bring a come and say you the thing go they envy you for months. A married woman, they cheat on the husband. Married woman. What do they look for? What do you want? If now walkie stick you want, you know what say your husband give you. I know say some men they starve their wife with their walkie stick. Because me don't know what they use and do someday because you go prefer to go use them for outside than we go use them for a woman. And the result one go they see be this one. Some men they like that. You don't want to go do a woman, you go prefer to go give girl for outside. Maybe that's why they do the woman, they make it go outside now. And when the woman belly be like who get belly safe. She be like who get belly. My people. This thing, you where they watch me now, it is not tire you. Say married woman, they cheat on the husband with another man. They cash and red-handed for bed. My people, what is this word called the turn to now? Me, I not gonna know again. What did they turn into now? Me, I don't know. If marriage tire you, it's better you quit the marriage than you can't continue to the cheat on your husband. It's better you just return the bad price. Just know say you will another day again. Than when you go to the cheat on her. Then better pass. It's better you just return the bad price. You don't know so another day again. Let me say you can't deal with demand for her. You say go dey sleep with another man. You get how it be now. You get how it be. If you know say marriage don't tire you, return bride price. Instead, when you dey from the man house, they do all those jogodo, you go the jogodo another man. You get I be, my people. I be what you think. Yeah. As they catch that one, I nakedness of full everywhere now. It's not good. It's not good at all. Don't be waiting years, suppose even year. Don't be waiting 2 years, suppose even year at all. For that kind of thing with that woman do so. In with that man. Maybe that man I go get wife for us. So the wife no say see wetin they go they do for our side. Yeah. He go get wife for us. He go prefer make it go outside. He go prefer make it go outside. Make go jogodo on that woman. You want jogodo again married woman. But women when they call their ex-boyfriend, you not see that ex before you go marry your husband. Wait, busy because this ex they always cause problem for house. You go know say your ex. If it did nice that time, why you leave on? If that your ex did nice to you that time, what make you leave on? Wait, busy now married. After you don't do marriage, now that your ex now don't shock you now. If you even see him for those, if you greet him, if you even tell you say give me a number, not give him. What you want give a number for? What you don't want to discuss? Not be all men agree. May your ex see the talk to you. Not be all men. So what you don't want to discuss? No, not get anything we want to discuss. We not get anything in common again. So now for me, I don't see what you want to collect a number for again now. If you not see for our side, if you like, you greet him. If you like, don't greet him. Because all those ex, all they cause many people for home. Yeah. Now I'm going to tell lost in love of your life, all because of S. All because of S. He leave man was supposed to take care of him. Was supposed to do everything for him. All because of S. What S don't cause for so many people body? Not be small thing. Because of S. You wanna leave S alone. Your past is your past. Don't go back to your vomit. If you don't boof person, just boof am. You don't know what you want to do again now. Just know, say, focus on that one where you get, my dear. If your husband not to do well, try me you help him. Teach him. Instead, where your eye go there outside. We not they know everything finish. You see this jogo do everything, we not they know how finish. Nobody they know how finish. Nobody carry a come from heaven. If your husband not be the type where be say no sabi jogodo, you teach him. Mister when you come they go outside from a house, they go the jogodo another person. You get a be now. You get a be. My people, maybe they behave boy. I beg. As they give that woman that kind of disgrace, now it good. It good you way they wash me now. It good. As that woman now that disgrace when they put for herself now, and our nakedness full everywhere. For social media, you know our Nigerian people now. That kind of thing, now that they share pass. That kind of thing, they prefer to share around for everywhere. But say make it be like that's what they do with YouTube now. You send your video, give person, I go even the verse. But send that kind of thing, give them they go they dance, they happy. They go even the thank you, say thank you, my sister. But see, you send your own video, give them now. They'll use I look and like say everything is what they talk so. Especially the ones who say they know you. They will say, I beg you, this one, know when you want to talk. Or because they know you. But if another person where they don't know, they want wash them. It will subscribe for them. But you will be say that you know them. They're not doing for you because they look you say that they look down on you or because they know you. You understand? But if they don't know you, they won't do one. For them, they'll respect all those ones, but you when they know, they don't respect you. That may be the main parable. So what of command see? So now us now respect no day, but outside people go respect you. People go know your value. You know. So thank you everybody and take care. Please, a married woman don't cheat on your husband again. It's not good. It's against the law. It's not good at all. Don't cheat on your husband, and husband too. Don't cheat on your wife. Please, it's not good. But not the cheat on self again. Let your wife be your wife. Let your husband be your husband. Please, it's not good. It's not good for a year. We get one story when I go talk. When for my next video again, when I go see him. So thank you everybody and take care until I come your way next time. Remember your one and only Lady J. So subscribe and share this video for me so that make you reach all those married women when they cheat on their husband, make you reach their arms. So thank you everybody and take care until I come your way next time. Remember your one and only Lady J. Bye.